Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Emil Lord with my phonetics video 1. This video is about what is letter, what is alphabet, what do uppercase, lowercase and cursive letters mean in English, and what are the correct pronunciation of A to Z English letters. Let's get started. What is letter? A letter is a type of graphim or character which is a contrastive unit in a writing system representing one or more of the sounds used in speech. In another word, any of the A to Z 26 symbols which represent a speech sound constructing a unit of English language is known as letter. Letter is the smallest basic unit of English grammar which are combined to form syllables and words in English language. What is alphabet? All the 26 letters of English language ranged from A to Z together is called English alphabet. What do uppercase, lowercase and cursive letters mean in English? Each of the 26 letters in English alphabet have three writing forms which are known as number 1, uppercase, capital or block letter, number 2, lowercase, small or unblocked letter, number 3, cursive, implicate or oblique letter. Uppercase letters are capital letters, the bigger or taller versions of letters, as opposed to the smaller versions which are called lowercase letters. Uppercase means the same thing as capital. Cursive is a style of writing in which all the letters in a word are connected. In cursive handwriting, the letters run into one another and the hand runs across the page without lifting pen or pencil between the letters. Cursive letter is a rapid flowing style in writing. Now, I will talk about the correct pronunciation of A to Z English letters. Look at the slide of this video. You can see 26 English letters in capital, small and cursive forms with pronunciation and IPA accent. Most of you pronounce most of the letters wrongly, especially the underlined 17 letters. Listen carefully the correct pronunciation of each letter as I am uttering. A as in able. B as in big. C D as in deep. E as in eat. F as in FCFS. G H I Z K L M as in MBBS. N as in NCTB. O as in over. P as in people. Q as in kiwi. R S T as in team. U as in university. V as in village. W X as in X-ray. Y Z It is specially mentioned here that in American English, the following four letters, letter number 15 O, letter number 18 R, letter number 20 T, letter number 26 Z, are pronounced differently from British English. In American English, letter number 15 is pronounced as O instead of O. O instead of O, as in often. Letter number 18 is pronounced as R instead of A. R instead of A, as in R. Letter number 20, re instead of T, as in ladder. Water. Letter number 26, G instead of Z. And sometimes in British dialect, letter number 8 is pronounced as H instead of H. H instead of H. Most of our people pronounce A instead of A, but correct sound is A, not A. J instead of G. J is correct sound, not G. K, not K. L, not L. M, not M. N, not N. O, not O. P, not P. Q, not Q. W, not W. Learn English by English and keep watching my English medium videos. Thank you.